Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can undo compound clips in CapCut PC. So if you combine clips into a compound clip and now you need to change something inside, don't worry, you don't have to hit undo 100 times. So here I'm going to show you the exact shortcut and also right click method to uncompound or expand your clips back to the original state. So let's make the compound clip first. In here you can just select the clip and click on create compound clip. So the clip will be compound like this. So what you need to do, the fastest way to undo the compound clip is just right click on the clip and choose to deactivate, this one, undo compound clip, like this. Or there's also another way that you can do, which is the keyboard shortcut. So what you need to do here is just press on Alt, Shift and G on your keyboard to undo the compound clip. So let's try it out. Alt, Shift and G, and just like that the compound clip will be undo. So that's a tips for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.